In part 4 of the video series, we will have a look at the network aspect of the mature framework. All the sidebars and services are connected within an organization, so caseworkers can collaborate on everything. Shared tagging structure and discussion of knowledge items is one of the key aspects of the framework. The tagging widget allows tagging of items. Tags are a powerful tool to keep everything searchable and organized. You can tag an item either by opening it from one of the other widgets or dragging it into the tagging widget's top bar. Let's try that right now. Items can have shared and private tags. Much like collections, shared tags are visible to everyone, while private tags are visible only to yourself. Let's tag this item with social worker, because it deals with social workers, and also with careers. You can also use the suggestions to drag in previously added tags. And for a personal remark, we're going to tag it as a lengthy document on the private side. There we go. Other people will now be able to use our shared tags on this item to find it in the search widget, among other things. To find related items, we can use the tag cloud. Clicking on a related tag in the cloud will search for the tag in the search widget. So let's bring up the tag cloud. The tagging widget and the search widget. And the search widget automatically searches for careers. Next up is the discussion widget. The discussion widget connects users of the framework and works similar to a forum or bulletin board. It's possible to have discussions about specific items or about free-form topics. Let's start a discussion from the collections widget. Clicking the button brings up the discussion widget. It automatically inserts the title of the item we have clicked, but also gives us the option to rename the discussion. Let's make a post. Other people can now join in this discussion. Let's go back to tags for a second. Tags not only work on documents and artifacts, but on people as well. This allows us to find in-house experts on particular topics. Let's see if anyone else is already knowledgeable about social workers. We go to people search, and let's see. There we go, it's someone at Connections Kent and Medway. Let's go into details. So there's the result. We could ask Rebecca for help if we needed it. The details view offers more information about a document or a person, such as all of its tags, people involved with the item, which is for documents. Let's open a document for that. Here we have the involved people. Clicking one of these will open an email window, and other data, such as the maturing indicators, the rating, and the tag cloud. The rating is averaged across all people who have rated this item. You can add your own rating by clicking one of the stars below. Since this item wasn't rated before, its rating has now gone up to 4 stars. Let's go back to people to view the social network. Let's find Rebecca again. There we have it. Social network graph is not a friend graph like you might know from Facebook. Rather, it connects people that have collaborated on knowledge artifacts. So if someone is an expert in something, it's somewhat likely that their collaborators are also knowledgeable about that subject. Speaking of which, we have a rated and tagged collection of knowledge about social workers now, so we've accumulated some expertise. For our last task, let's tag ourselves with expertise in social workers so other people can find us. To access and tag people more easily, you can use the People widget. Let's open ourselves in the tag window and give us the social worker tag. That's done. Now other people can find us as an expert on social workers. This concludes the introduction to the main widgets. In the last video, we will be taking a look at MatureFox, the Firefox extension.